And today we're going to be checking out this pair of battery operated rechargeable wall sconces. That's right, these are easy to install wall sconces that you can put anywhere. They're remote controlled. They have multiple settings as far as light. You have 3000K, which is warm. You can go 4500 to medium, and you can go to 6000K, which is a very bright white light, which is what I believe they are on now. Now, like I said, they do come with a remote control. And on the remote, you can actually do the dimming, make them dimmer, you can make them brighter. You can put them on a 15, 30, 60, or 120-minute timer. This is where you adjust the actual tone of the light. Like this is the warm one, this is the 3000K, that is the 6000K. And then if you hit the center button right here, that is the 4500K. You can't control them independently. You do get a remote for each one. But as you can see, you can control both of them with one remote, or you have two remotes, because just let's say, for instance, if you have one in two different rooms, because you can pretty much mount these anywhere. To install these, it's just two screws on each one. And what's cool about these is all these tubes just pop right out. It's just a little socket in there. So you can change how you install this. And when you do install it, you can see you just put these tubes in just like this. So it's really easy to set up. When it comes time to recharging, you just pull the center battery pack out just like that. Then you can charge this up. It is going to give you 8 to 10 hours of light. And then after it's recharged, you just simply slide it right back in just like that. Now, like I was saying before, we'll pull these tubes out. I'm going to show you how easy they are to install. You just very simply, you put in the two screws and attach your mounts. Then you take your light base, you screw it on. And once it's attached, you've seen how these pop on and off. Super easy, super fast. And what's cool about these being in sockets is if I wanted to put more light towards whatever I wanted to highlight, you can actually kind of twist these a little bit and angle them towards what you're trying to light up. So a very nice set of lights indeed. So let's go ahead. We're going to go back to the desk. I'm going to show you the unboxing of these so you can see everything that you're going to get with this setup. All right, so now that you've seen the lights in action, this is what they look like in the box. I'm going to point the camera down and we're going to do a quick unboxing so you can see how they come and everything that you're going to get with these lights. All right, as you can see, they do come in quite a long box. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And they're pretty, it's a pretty basic package, but we're going to pull everything out. Here you have one of your mounting plates that go on the wall. You can see where this part screws onto the wall right here, and then this is the metal cover. You have your remote control. You have your second remote control. And it's cool that you get two different remotes, because if you wanted one in two different rooms, then you could have a remote in each room for that. Here you have some mounting hardware and a charge cord, which is a USB to USB Type-C. And here you have another charge cord and the mounting hardware for the other. So you're getting double of everything. Here's the other mounting plate as well. Then you have your two lights. Here they are. This is how they come. You can see that you can shift this ring to give a different look. I don't know if it's really made to do that or not, but if you want to do it, you can. This is where your tubes connect. You have one here and one here. And then on the front here, you can see this is where your remote signal will come in, and this is where you actually charge up. Here is the other base, just like the one we just looked at. When it's time to recharge these, you're probably wondering, do I have to run an extension cord all the way to these and charge them up? No, you don't. When this is mounted to the wall, you can just simply pull this out. It attaches magnetically, and you can charge this up anywhere, and your light fixture and your lights are going to stay in place. And then you just slide that right back in, and you're ready for action. You have your different tubes, and you can see that they're blacked out on one side, so you can have them facing the wall, and the light's not going to come back towards you. It's just going to go towards the wall. Now you can swivel these in whatever direction you want, so when you do connect them, you can see how this one already turned on. You can swivel it to the side if you're trying to illuminate the side of a picture. You can just point them at the wall if you want them bouncing off the wall. Just tons of versatility and options here for how you connect these tubes. And of course you get 2 long tubes, and then you get the 2 shorter tubes for that asymmetrical look. So as you can see, these lights are very versatile. They're made out of aluminum, they're very solid. The tubes are made out of polycarbonate, which is an extremely tough plastic or polymer. You're going to get 8 to 10 hours of light out of these between recharges. So that's quite a long time. If you're just turning them on in the evening for a couple hours or so, you can get a week out of it. You can change the color of these from 3000, which is a very warm light, to 4500 Kelvin, which is a mix between bright and warm, or you can do 6000 Kelvin, which is a very white, bright light. I like how versatile they are, the fact that you can just put them anywhere. You don't need power. You can use them on shelves. You can use them to light up pictures, portraits, paintings. You can just use them for accents on the wall, just standalone on their own. And really the only limitation for using these is your own imagination. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.